everybody, we're back.
Tita, do you know what today is?
It's Boxycharm.
No, it's not. It's actually Ipsy Day. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. This is Yaya, and that is Tita. Yaya's joining us today. She's not normally in our Ipsy unboxings, but she's here today. Let's go ahead and get it started. So I did have some add-ons this month. I feel like last month I also had some add-ons, but I'm going to go through everything. I did do this makeup look with the items, some of the items that we got. Let's just talk about the first thing that was actually a fail for me. So this came in my box. This is the Yenza Color Plus Face Silk Bronzing Base Sunlit Glow Bronzer Plus Brush Duo 8 Super Black Essence. This was a fail for me. The brush is nice. The product is really creamy. It does take a lot of swirling to get it out. But when I tried to use it, it's pretty much, you can look and see, it's pretty much just the same color as my skin tone. So this unfortunately is not going to work for me. But this regularly retails for $50. I definitely would not say this is worth $50. Even if it worked for me, I wouldn't say this is $50. I mean, you can look, that's just not going to show it for me. So this one, I did try to use it, but it did not work for me at all. The next thing is a Julep shadow stick with a smudger. This is in the shade Bronze Shimmer. This regularly retails for $14. It is full size. One end has a little smudger thing on it, and then the opposite end is actually the shadow stick. It actually glides on really well. I did use this right here as a base for the shimmer that I have on. I originally planned to just use this, but this did not work. It just didn't look good with the overall look I was going for. I also got this palette here. This is the Mini Miami eyeshadow palette. It retails for $20. It comes with 8 eyeshadow shades. They are very, very pretty. I did use this shade in the inner corners, this one as a highlighter on my nose, and I used this right down here and then kind of brought it up just a little bit to blend it all together. I'll swatch these for you really quickly. Very pretty, very, very pigmented. This is the top row right there. And that is what it looks like. Let me block her face out. That's what that looks like. Shh, brush. And then this is going to be the bottom row. And that is what that looks like. Very, very pretty. I'm happy that I got this palette. I think this palette is beautiful. I will probably put this palette, well, I say I'll put this palette to use, but I have so many palettes that I would love to remember to put this palette to use. I also got this Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. This retails for $20. It's the Coral Pop eyeshadow palette. Has 6 eyeshadows in there. When I looked at this, I knew I was going to be using this palette. I actually used Silk right here under my brow. I used Pretty Peachy all over, and then I went in with this chocolate shade and I did the inner crease and outer corners. I used this for where you see the shimmer, but then I used my finger and I topped it off with this, and I feel like the look is just gorgeous, like absolutely beautiful. Let's swatch them. This is the top 3 right there. And that is what those look like. So, so pretty. And then let's swatch the bottom. This is going to be the bottom 3. I mean, they're gorgeous shades. We're running out of space here. Don't mind the ashy elbows. That is the bottom. Beautiful. I mean, I feel like this would be a good travel palette, and you know, it takes a lot for me to say like, yeah, this would be a good travel palette, but this, it has a little mirror in it, it's small, it stays closed, it's magnetized so it stays closed. You could do a number of different looks with this. I love, love, love this. The next thing I got, I did not try this one yet. This is Item Beauty Lid Glaze in Lunar Drop. Looks like this. It comes in a plastic package. This retails for $14. It is an eyeshadow, and this is what it looks like. It has a little doe foot applicator there. Honestly, is not very appealing. If I look at the little applicator, it honestly does not look that nice. Let's swatch it really quickly. This is what, wow. I feel like that might be actually really pretty. I don't know, might be kind of streaky. Pretty. It's kind of sheer. It kind of has a sheer look. If you like gold flecks, because this has gold flecks in it, this might be a really nice highlighter actually. I also ordered the Tony Moly Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser right here. This, I don't know how much. This doesn't, I normally, if I'm going to order something, it's only a few dollars. So I feel like this was only a few dollars. Doesn't tell me how much it costs. Calm down. But this is just a jelly cleanser. You just wash your face with it. I haven't tried this brand, I don't think, so I kind of just was like, I kind of want to try the brand. I've heard good things about it. It has a scent, but I can't really tell because I just washed my hands. Oh, don't touch her puppy, please. Well, you got a lot of stuff going on with that over there. And then the next thing I ordered was from Koki, and this is a soft highlighter. I know this was only a couple of dollars. This is called their Soft Glow Highlighter in the shade Heavenly. I did use this today here. You can see it does give a nice soft glow. I just personally wanted to try the brand because I have not tried the brand before, so I figured why not. Nice color payoff. I used it very lightly. If you can find this, I mean, it was only a couple dollars. I would definitely say get it. There's a lot of product in here. There's 4 point. Yeah, it is. Oh, Coco, get off the presents, Coco. Coco's messing with the tree back there, doing her own thing.
Mama.
This does have a good bit of product in it. This is nice packaging, 4.5 grams. So if you could find this for a couple dollars, I'd say that's a steal. The bag it came with is really cute. I like that we're going back to the drawstring bags. I say I could put these to use and then I never actually do. But if I ever needed a small bag... Oh yeah, no, that's like a dark brown. That's like a dark brown. Yeah, Coco can be in the video. I feel like I could use these for something. I don't know why I don't. I think I lose them most of the time. They get thrown back there and the girls do something with them. I don't know. Okay, and the lipstick of the day is actually a Nars lipstick in the shade Dolce Vita. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'll swatch it for you really quickly. I did show this in my Nars haul, so check that out. I will link that below. But that is what that shade looks like. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Highly recommend the Dolce Vita. I have always loved this shade. Okay, y'all, I feel like there's a lot of stuff going on in this very short video, so we are going to end it now. That is all of the stuff we got. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.